Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletter, new course announcement. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any question, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 6 Social Science Civics Chapter 6 Rural Administration. Let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is, what is the work of police? Every police station works within a geographical area assigned to it. When there are any cases of theft, accident, injury, fight, etc., it is responsibility of the police to investigate and take action. Second question, list 2 things that the work of a patwari includes. Measuring the land and keeping land records is the main job. Each patwari is responsible for a group of villages, maintains and updates the records of the villages. What is the work of a tehsildar? Collecting land revenue, providing caste certificates to the students, keeping a track of the work done by the patwari, making sure that land records are kept safely. What issue is the poem trying to say? Do you think this is an important issue? Why? The poem is trying to raise the issue of gender discrimination against women. When women cannot inherit their father's property, it always goes to the son. It is a very important issue because in the eyes of Constitution, all are equal. Hence, they should be given equal rights over their parents' property. Fifth question, in what ways are the work of the panchayat which you read about in the previous chapter are the work of the patwari related to each other? The Gram Panchayat is responsible for levying and collecting local taxes. In this, its work to relate to that of the patwari, as the patwari is responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers. Sixth question, visit a police station and find out the work that the police have to do to prevent crime and maintain law and order in their area, especially during festivals, public meetings, etc. All localities have a dedicated police station. Visit the police station in your locality and meet the SHO, who is basically the in charge of the police station. Make sure that you have a list of questions you need to answer to. Also, inquire about the special precautions they take at the times of festivals and other large public gatherings. Seventh question, who is in charge of all the police stations in a district? Find out. Superintendent of police is in charge of all the police stations in a district. How do women benefit under the new law? Now, they can own the property of their parents. This has brought about a sense of security in their minds so that it can help them financially in times of their needs. In your neighborhood, are there women who own property? How did they acquire it? Talk to the elders in your neighborhood and try to gather information about the women who own property. Talking to elders will be helpful as they will have the knowledge of the people who have been living in the neighborhood for a long time. Once you get a few names, meet these women and talk to them about how they acquired their properties. So this was chapter 6 of Civics of Social Science of Standard 6th. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.